I say global. Yo. Oh. Life hard, man. Yeah. Big ups to Motowness. Love you. Yeah, I'm a storyteller, writer, poet, and a rapper. My story will the holla. Sound seem proper. Please don't need my partners. So me fenya me on fat. Or me your show so what that. Why your son is suffer? Always praying and fasting, but it seems worthless. Too many questions on my mind, Lord. I need answers. My bush on so do we need my Lord, please help us. 99 September 10th, also from the onset up to now. Nigga never had a chance to smile, always the frown. The shit me crying said they've not gone through my list of adverbs to y'all. Me say me need how. Wow, me pepper, but only God knows. You know be my way, say my mommy the self force. I get talent that they won't blow to down free shows. My only purpose me so Mikey mouth for touch souls. Hold up, me I get God. Why I for base what I go chop? I know you don't believe in my dreams, no, but wait until I get to the top.
Yeah. So you said where you coming from?
Actually, I'm Motown.
Oh, so you are in the crowd.
Yeah.
Hey, in the crowd you're not, you know, the energy, my baby. You understand?
Yeah.
The energy, but you're good.
Yeah.
You know, anytime I keep on saying that rappers, storytellers, and poets are the same.
Yeah.
But all the same, you know. We end this, you know. So we near rapper, but with here, no say end this, you know. Eh, I won't me not as I get a crap. Oh, sir.
Yeah.
Catch me, oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we do my.
Sometimes we say,
Kakasa.
we say, I've not been to like some functions like this before. Like some platforms like this. We say,
Entertain no.
so sometimes I feel that it's
Tension, but it's a competition, you know. It's all forget attention and
yeah. So like I forget used to have, so it be normal. Actually.
Okay, and what's happening? That's a beat in the now, only beat in the Kaka.
Yeah, it be like I know the.
You know the idea.
Yeah.
Hey, but we now it's you.
I know the feel like.
Yeah, but as a rapper, they drop a bit more at least. You know, say, try your possible best to kill it. What I say, rapper, they so to me beat, but all the same, no. You did good, but so to me, say wow, can say, won't try baby say, but a competition.
Alright.
Into the so about be or not try that, but full them one who free no dey because when you pay anymore, you probably will be an style into the so banana say, what the show to so mad and you know, yes, or you be disqualified. What I say, you know, so far so good, you know. I'm sure say so. Like you go back and work on your style more, your breath and stuff. Because one can say, when you're used to these things, but banny they say what prepare. The beat when you see you should be there, young movie and see drop people out to me. What I say, but you're a good rapper, like storyline, you know, a very good person. Confidence now come and also your breathness so yeah now watch it because what me rap here na maybe you know what's happening as I said you know work on it for me right but you are good.